Filipinos, mahilig tayo magdrama. Kaya ka hindi umaasenso, ask me why. Pakialamera ka eh. Because if you're still stuck, you're backward. Simply because you're living in this mindset. Kahit magwala pa ako sa traffic, kahit ano pang gawin ko, paputulog ka mapupunta pa, traffic talaga, wala akong magawa. It's not positive thinking. But the question here, how fast can you shift from the things I don't like, that I'm not in full control of? This mindset of victim here is, ako yung kawawa at wala akong magagawa. Kailan nagsisimula ng problema? The moment yung ini-expect mong gusto mo mangyari, opposite.
Alam nyo, every week ako, sana ma-invite ako. No? So, para panay ang comment ko sa mga posting mo, ibig sabihin, nagpapapansin ako na finally, no, nandito na ako. My job here is to make sure that you understand the word transformation. Which means when we want to go from point A to point B, the only way we get there is not through hard work, it's not even through strategic work, but it's really understanding that at the end of the day, it has to start with your belief system about yourself. Going back to who you are. Work on your inner self, work on your inner world. Take time to take care of yourself. Take time to nurture yourself. Take time to develop yourself, because are you willing to do whatever it takes to a point, live your past life, live your past identity, live your success to go for what you want. Dati, it was so difficult. Dati, it was like, oh!
Parang merong yung merong...
Sige na nga. Siguro one straight year yung nagawin ko, hindi. Nagawin ko, hindi. Most of our struggles right now is really as a result of how we were raised, the upbringing, no, specifically coming from people who raised us, mostly parents. Narinig ko, na, hindi na alam, nasa likod ako ng tent, narinig ko na, si Aquarius, ang baho, ang taba, ang itim. So, narinig ko yun. So, from that time on, parang na-imagine ko na nobody likes me. Kahit ang pangit mo ngayon, kasi talagang pangit ko noon, no? Wala kasing budget, di ba? Kahit hindi ka marunong mag-English, and medyo pa bobo-bobo ka, hindi ka forever na ganyan kung willing kang i-improve yung sarili mo. I have a certain degree na hindi na ako nag-workout.
Wow.
Hindi na rin ako nag-i-steps.
Papapansana all ka na lang.
Little did I know, okay, that was the starting point of the life that I have right now, na hindi ko may imagine na ganito pala kaganda buhay. If you just surrender to your calling, your mission, your purpose, with well guidance from the above. Of course, karamihan ng nakikita kong nagbabasa na medyo hindi sila sang-ayon sa sabi ko are also coming from the religious community.
Na kung saan na pati yung belief mo talagang sinisiraan na rin. Ano ba? Meron ka bang ganun ko?
Ang pinakasikat is kulto daw ako. And I realized the more I climb up to the success that I felt it was the happiest place on earth, it stopped me from being happy, from being peaceful, from being playful, because it was just so focused around it. That the reason why I really lost myself, despite of all of the success, that meron ako palang resentment sa Diyos na, di ba, hinusgahan na nga ako ng mga kaibigan ko, hinusgahan na nga ako ng pamilya ko, hinusgahan na nga ako ng society, pati ikaw ba huhusga sa akin? Kahit ibigay ko sa iyo lahat ng sagot, pero ikaw bilang tao, hindi ka naman clear, hindi ka naman aligned, at hindi mo siya naiayos, yung how to useless eh. So, as a benefit, sobrang taas ang certainty ko sa sarili ko. Which is certainty, parang pag sinabi ko, umulan, bumagyo, bumaha, mangyayari dahil sinabi ko.
Gano'n na ba kayaman si Coach Ras?
Huwag mong tignan yung pera as you working. Tignan mo yung who you have become as a result of all of these practices. Simply because I have a dream, no? And my dream is to see Philippines, no? First world country.
Wow.
Ibig sabihin wala nang mangingibang bayan at iiwanan ng pamilya kasi ang kitaan nasa abroad, kung hindi nandito yung ekonomiya. Ultimate truth that I want to hold on is we are all a beautiful creation of our Creator. I call Him God. So, hindi magbabago yan. Now, kung yung buhay mo man, hindi siya match doon sa buhay ng totoong anak ng Diyos, baka nakalimutan mo kung sino ka. When the right person do the wrong thing, it will always be right. But when the wrong person do the right thing, it will always be wrong. So it's not about the doing, but it's about the person being. And if we don't start with the person being, kahit ano pang opportunity, kahit ano pang mechanism ang bigay sa'yo, hindi talaga mag-work yan. Kasi hindi mo sinimulan with the way you think.